Restores like new steering. Patented pressed-in cover plate seals out debris and minimizes looseness, reducing bearing wear and promoting longer life. GREASEABLE socket reduces corrosion and wear by allowing new lubricant to flush contaminants. Absorbs impact. Belleville preload washer helps keep the bearing package tight as bearings wear. Problem solver gusher bearing. Metal-to-metal design provides strength and allows grease to flow through bearing surface for reduced friction and long life. Strong and durable. Ball studs are heat-treated to match or exceed OE requirements to inhibit premature failure and improve fatigue strength. Easy to install. Precision tolerances for easy installation and steering alignment, giving you a perfect fit right out of the box. Comprehensive coverage, available for foreign and domestic nameplates. Rigorous testing, comprehensive testing throughout design and development processes by MOOG engineers for quality you can count on. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG outer tie rod ends deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality replacement and really tightened up the front-end wobble. Installed on my 2002 Avalanche Z71. Great product as always from MOOG.